Here I am again in my own very private forest. My own private forest. Here I am, looking at the beautiful king parrot guests, visitors. They're here several times a year, but they're not here all the time. So well camouflaged. The sun's so bright I can't see what I'm filming. That's what I'm filming. A gorgeous king parrot is now sitting up in a privet tree. Chinese privet. The local council hasn't got rid of them yet. They haven't said that we're not allowed to have them. Isn't it lovely? I'm hot today. I imagine that little bird is quite hot too. I just saw it fly a few moments ago, and it's got some blue feathers that you don't normally see. According to information online, those birds have got different receptors, cones in their retinas or something. They've only got 2 or something. Anyway, they can see yellow. There's all yellow. There's all yellow on their wings that we humans can't see. Hello, beauty. You're a giant budgerigar, really, aren't you? Its friend is over in the other hedge on the other side. Are you going away? There we are, beautiful. There we are, beautiful bird. I want to get its best colours, but the sun has to be shining in the right direction, or else there's got to be enough reflected glare. That's a Canary Island lucerne tree it's sitting in. Actually, yes, it's under a big silky oak, but that's a canary. That's Canary Island lucerne. Oh, it's getting on the ground. Well, I hope there are no cats around. It's acting like a grass parrot now. Well, that's a female, or a junior male, isn't it? I thought that was the boy. Eating grass seed. Isn't it gorgeous? Huh! Oops, one just flew over my head. I got a fright, sorry. There we are. I think that's their signal. Just as well that little ginger cat isn't around, or that little tabby cat. Eating grass. So I don't need an aviary, do I, to keep parrots in? A beautiful spring day down under. It's as green as moss, isn't it? Its head is like green moss. What are they, foxtails or something? It's so green. Oh. So if you must have a pet parrot, you should give it some of that sort of grass if you know what sort it is. They look like foxtails from where I am. I should read the instructions on focusing, shouldn't I? It's a gorgeous mossy green, isn't it? It could almost be a quail in the grass, couldn't it? You keep your eyes out for a cat, won't you? Yes, it's like beautiful green moss, isn't it? Let's hope it goes out into the sun and I can get it in its full blazing glory. It's a bit hot though to be out in the sun. Where are you? Where are you now? There you are. Not too far away. In my private forest. It's up the silky oak tree. It's in the silky oak tree. It's in the silky oak tree. Let's have a look up close. That's better. Come on, focus. There we are. Hold still. Let's look at your feet. There are your feet. Ornithologists, there are the feet if you're interested. Isn't it beautiful? So look at its eye. It's talking under its breath.